An engaging and moral story for children. Not one, but two. Written by Mukhtar Ahmed. To listen to more captivating stories like this one, please subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy these stories, don't forget to like and share them, and be sure to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Not one, but two. Maahnoor's father returned home after a long time abroad. He had gone to Saudi Arabia years ago for work, leaving behind his wife, Rabia, and their daughter, Maahnoor, in Pakistan. He would come back to visit every year or two for a month-long vacation. During his absence, Maahnoor missed him a lot, and her father's thoughts always stayed with his wife and daughter. When he arrived, Rabia and Maahnoor were overjoyed. During his vacation, he made every effort to spend as much time as possible with them. In the evenings, he would take Maahnoor to the nearby park, and they played various games together. Maahnoor loved these outings with her father. As his vacation neared its end, he thought of taking Rabia and Maahnoor shopping at a mall to buy them lots of things. Rabia and Maahnoor were thrilled when they found out about this plan. They went to a well-known shopping mall in the city. Before they left, Rabia explained to Maahnoor that she should not insist on buying toys when they saw them in the store. "We will only buy what's necessary," Rabia said. Though Maahnoor was a good girl, she didn't respond to her mother's words, which made Rabia uneasy. Rabia worried that if Maahnoor threw a tantrum while shopping, her father might think she wasn't a well-behaved child. And that's exactly what happened. Every time her father bought her a toy from the store, Maahnoor insisted on getting two of each. Her father didn't mind at all and bought her two of every toy she asked for. Maahnoor ended up with Barbie dolls, tea sets, makeup kits, kitchen sets, puzzle games, art and craft kits, educational board games, and block sets all in pairs. Her father smiled, but Rabia was upset. She felt that Maahnoor was taking advantage of her father's love. Sensing Rabia's displeasure, her husband smiled and said, "You won't understand, dear. Maahnoor is still a child. She might be thinking that I'll leave for Saudi Arabia soon. And who knows when I'll be back again. That's why she wants so many toys. Don't say anything to her. I just want to see her happy." Rabia remained silent, though she still didn't like Maahnoor's behavior. After they finished shopping and returned home, they found their housemaid busy working, and her daughter, Bubli, was sitting on the carpet doing her homework. The maid and her daughter lived in a small room at the back of their house. Seeing Bubli, Maahnoor excitedly exclaimed, "Bubli, look what we got for you." She handed Bubli a beautiful package containing a Barbie doll. The other toys were in a large bag. Bubli looked at her mother and, smiling shyly, lowered her gaze. Maahnoor's parents, Rabia and her father, watched in surprise. Rabia, understanding that Bubli was feeling shy, laughed and said, "Take them, Bubli. Maahnoor chose these toys for you with great enthusiasm." Bubli thanked Maahnoor and accepted the Barbie doll, and Rabia handed her the bag full of other toys. Bubli's happiness was written all over her face as she thanked Rabia as well. When Maahnoor and her parents sat down in the drawing room, Rabia affectionately hugged Maahnoor and said, "I had no idea that when you were insisting on getting two of everything, one set was for Bubli." Maahnoor replied, "Mom, I always felt sad when Bubli refused to play with my toys. She used to say that if the toys broke, her mother would scold her. Instead of playing with toys, she would collect smooth round stones from the field and chase butterflies. So, I decided that when Dad came back, I would buy lots of toys for Bubli too, so she could play without any worries." Maahnoor's father gently patted her head and said to Rabia, "Our Maahnoor is so thoughtful, Masha Allah. Good children share their food, toys, and things with their friends. It not only shows their good manners but also strengthens love and friendship." Rabia smiled and said, "I thought our Maahnoor had become a demanding child, but she turned out to be such a kind-hearted girl." Saying this, she hugged Maahnoor tightly.